Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is by New England Machinery. It's an incline cleated elevator. It's a large volume unit, has a hopper almost 40 cubic foot. The sound you hear, it has an agitated hopper, pretty common and necessary in the larger units. We're going to do a little pressure wash clean on this as well. But you'll see with each cycle, you actually see the interior lining moving to help agitate and move bottles toward the elevator as it's going. And that you see there, the white plastic is a gating device so bottles don't fall out. It's pushed open by the passing cleat and then immediately closed on its own weight. And the agitator is the metal arm you see there, and that's operated this little cam device on the bottom of the idler shaft on the unit. We're running on 120 volt as a 90 volt DC drive. You can turn the speed up or down to whatever you need. We have lots of elevators and packaging and processing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.